Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Don McLean's song Crying.
It's part of our Mega Reaction Fest 6.
I was alright for a while. I could smile for a while. But when I saw you last night, you held my hand so tight. When you stopped to say hello, and though you wished me well, you couldn't tell that I'd been crying over you, crying over you. Then you said so long, left me standing all alone, alone and crying, 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 crying. It's hard to understand that the touch of your hand can start me crying. I thought that I was over you, but it's true, so true. I love you even more than I did before, but darling, what can I do? Or you don't love me, and I'll always be crying over you, crying over you. Yes, now you're gone, and from this moment on, I'll be crying, crying,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Beautiful, beautiful. Ah, this is amazing, amazing. We are living in 2021, lest we forget. There aren't voices like this anymore.
No, not
Instead
at all.
of Harry Chapin, we have someone as insignificant as Harry Styles. And instead of people like Don McLean and what we just heard here, the emotional rendition, the yodeling to
We have people like Don Omar, who most people won't know.
we have people like Dua Lipa.
Okay.
Oh. So Don McLean has been replaced by Dua Lipa and Harry Chapin has been replaced by Harry Styles in 2021. Is it worth it to even bother listening to them? Not this Dua Lipa and Harry Styles. It's your choice really. But I certainly know where my heart lies, and I certainly know the ones who sing it with all their heart and soul. This was absolutely amazing. It was very simple. The topic has been covered thousands of times, if not over 1,000,000 times in music. The lover, the special someone has left, and this is how he's feeling or how she's feeling. So it's nothing new. It's just the way it is presented with the wonderful classical music backing his vocals up and his yodeling, his heartfelt singing. Oh, you feel like smiling even though it's such an emotional topic. You feel like
I felt
laughing.
the same things, have
you feel like smiling. You feel like enjoying it. You feel like singing along. I was tempted to, but then first of all I can't sing like that, and secondly, I didn't want to seem like I was enjoying a sad song. Crying. How did he do that? Wow.
Several cryings and the way he sang them.
I like the ones
The
which
last
he did.
three, the last three were
Like the
special.
autumn.
Yeah.
Beautiful request. What a great request. What a great song.
Oh, this is deep. This is emotional. This is emotional on his side. Emotional the way it sounds. But as a listener, for me, for the first time, I was delighted. I was delighted to listen to. It's a evil world. I'm the most evil person maybe to enjoy something like that, but I did, and I'm not gonna say I didn't. It is it's a human phenomenon. I think we enjoy something that is good, even if it is at the expense of someone. This is just a song, but the way I'm sounding, maybe it does not sound good. That it was all about him crying and all his emotions and everything. He's not gotten over her, and that is what the lyrics are about. But I enjoyed listening to this. I still have the goosebumps from the song while I'm talking about it. It was wonderful. It was literally heavenly. There are songs that make you feel good on the inside. It's just like on a hot day when you are drinking chilled watermelon juice and the way it makes you feel, especially when you have come from out and it is really hot. I don't know how many of you live in a hot place, or like summer is really hot. When you come from out and you're taking something down that is chilled inside, how it feels. Or you just start the air conditioner or something like that, and the whole feeling that changes. That is the kind of experience this song brings. It was phenomenal. It was wonderful.
What a coincidence. I talked about Harry Styles and you mentioned Watermelon
What
Juice.
was?
Because he won a Grammy Award for a song called Watermelon Sugar High.
Watermelon Sugar High. Okay, whatever. I
So,
don't know who this
you
person
can listen
is.
You can Harry Styles of One Direction.
Okay, that's his
So,
name. Okay.
yeah, so you can listen to Watermelon Sugar High,
Okay.
and you can listen to Don McLean Crying. And you will know exactly what I'm talking about. How times have changed, not just in the world of music, but in life itself. We have literally gone from bad to worse.
Ugly. I wouldn't say worse.
Okay, that's it for this one. Great requests, keep them coming. Support our channel. You can check out our Patreon page if you'd like to request a song. The link is in the description box below. And yeah, that's it. Keep on giving these requests. We are here to do just that. Listen to your request. As long as there's time and as long as it's licensed to YouTube. After all, we are the only reactors who listen to music like this. Being Indian, from a totally different part of the world, I don't find the sense in someone who's from America and pretends not to have heard this all their life. Music like this, or
If
even
they
the genre.
didn't hear it, it's not good for them.
Yeah, I wonder what they've been doing anyway.
Yeah.
Maybe they're getting high, watermelon sugar high,
Watermelon
on
sugar
something else other than the watermelon sugar. Maybe some other color of sugar, if you get my drift. So anyway, we are not like that. We are actually from another part of the world. This music is not part of our culture or our upbringing.
Not our daily music.
It's not our daily music. I have heard a lot of music, but Kirti certainly hasn't from the West. So it's comfortably out of our comfort zone. But here we are because of your support and love and this amazing platform that gives an opportunity to outsiders, rank outsiders like us. Different skin color, different culture, different upbringing, different musical taste. But here we are giving an honest, open review and you support us. 35k plus of you are supporting us. What more could we ask for? Keep them coming. We are here to serve you. We are here to listen to your request. And we'll do so as long as we are standing on this platform.